In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit links in Draw.io diagrams when using Atlassian Confluence or Jira. If you've ever found yourself staring at a diagram filled with shapes and text, wondering how to modify the links embedded in them, you're in the right place. This guide will take you through the process, step by step, ensuring you can troubleshoot any issues and apply your changes confidently. Before we dive into the specifics, it's important to understand a couple of foundational points. First, your ability to edit these links is contingent on having the right permissions. In Confluence, this means you need to have edit permissions for the diagram file, typically stored as an attachment. Similarly, in Jira, appropriate permissions are required. Another piece of the puzzle is knowing whether you're using a cloud or server/data center instance, because features can differ slightly depending on your hosting. Now, let's get into how to edit links within your Draw.io diagrams in either Confluence or Jira. You'll start by opening the diagram in edit mode. Navigate to the Confluence page or the Jira issue that houses your diagram. Click on the diagram itself and choose Edit, represented often by a pencil icon. This action will open the diagram within the Draw.io editor where you'll be making your changes. Remember, in both Confluence Cloud and Jira, diagrams are usually edited directly from the containing page, making it super accessible. Once you've opened the diagram, the next step is to locate and select the shape or text to which you'd like to add or modify a link. This could be any element in your diagram, whether it's a box, an arrow, or a text label. Simply click on the component you want to work with. With your desired shape or text selected, it's time to use the Edit Link function. You can do this by right-clicking on the selected object and choosing Edit Link from the context menu. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Alt plus Shift plus L for a quick and efficient way to bring up the link options. In the link dialog that appears, you'll enter or update the link as needed. If you're inserting an external link, simply type in the full URL. For links that lead to other Confluence or Jira pages, you'll often have the option to choose the link type, such as web link or page content within Confluence, if these options are offered. Finally, after entering or updating your link, apply your changes by clicking Apply in the dialog. It's essential to save and exit the Draw.io editor afterward. Lastly, don't forget to publish or save your changes on the Confluence page or Jira issue page to ensure that your diagram updates are visible to others. And there you have it, a straightforward process for editing links in your Draw.io diagrams, whether you're in Confluence or Jira. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage the connections within your diagrams, enhancing collaboration and information flow within your projects.